Hello and Sun First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. What a gorgeous way to start the weekend. Certainly is nice to see all of that sunshine. It will be a milder day overall and warmer this weekend. We do have a stretch of 70-degree temperatures on the way too. As we kick off the weekend, just a few clouds on Saturday. Notice the system off to our south through St. Louis, moving into Cincinnati. It does look like it could bring us a chance for a few light rain showers by Sunday afternoon, so we'll include that in the forecast before the weekend wraps up. Today's high is right around 60 degrees. Great night for a Tigers game, mid-50s by that first pitch just after 7 o'clock as they take on the Braves. Tonight our temperatures will drop down to near 40 degrees, so certainly pretty mild. We extend those 60-degree temperatures, as I mentioned, into the upcoming weekend, and then the 70-degree temperatures, the warmer weather on the way by next week. The warmest day on Tuesday, a chance for showers and storms on Wednesday and Thursday. Well, thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. Hope you have a great day.